Now what we are going to do is we are going to make a basic rose, and we are going to make a calla lily and a rose leaf. Okay, for that we are going to make like a little cone that we are going to put right on top of that. Make teardrop, and now we are going to put a little bit of glue on the bottom part. Just notice that. And we are going to put this on top of the ball. This you don't have to worry about. You don't have to let it dry for hours. You immediately can start making your roses. Another way to make the center, to make the first petals. Okay, remember that the paste, the thinner that you do it, the prettier it will look, and the easiest way to make it. Okay, here, very good. Now we are going to cut. We have 3 cutters. We are going to use the smaller one. Okay, and each of the center of the flowers, if we do this or this, we are going to need 3 petals to start and start shaping the rose. Okay, here we already have the row with the 3rd petal. Okay, now we are going to do the next row, and that one has 5 petals. The color, it will be lighter, and the cutter, it will be bigger. We have this one. We're going to use this cutter now. We're going to put glue on the base and slightly going to the right. Okay, just slightly to the right, not much. Okay, we're going to take a rose, and this is very important. The flower doesn't need to be touched so much, because the heat of the hand, it will melt it. We're going to take it this way, and we are going to divide this bud in 5 imaginary sections to hang in one rack. Then I'm going to put it over here, and I'm going to place it here to dry. Okay? Now what I am going to do, we are going to let the rose get a little bit drier, and we are going to do the calla lily. And for that, we are going to make the center of the calla lily. You're going to take the calla lily. And for that, we are going to make the center of the calla lily. You're going to take a little ball of yellow, like the size of a pea, a medium-sized pea, and you're going to make it like little sausage. And we're going to use one wire here. Okay, now we are going to put this in a rack to hang, and we are going to proceed with the next one. This one is going to be more open. For that, we only put a little bit of glue on the base. And basically, we are going to roll almost the same way. The only thing is that I am going to lift up my flower. Okay, this is hard to see. Okay, here, like this. And we are going to go around, and you see how I'm lifting it. Okay, here like this. I move it very gentle. I am going just around, just very gentle to shape this part. Okay, now I take it like this with my hand, and I am going to start opening the calla lily. Okay, now I take like what I did with my rose and start opening this part up to the tip. And now I just let it dry. I put this and I just let it dry in the rack. We are going to make the little belly that is underneath the calyx. Okay, make 2 little balls like this, and we are going to put a little bit of glue on the top, and we are going to insert this. Now you remember that this flower has a little belly here. Can you see? Very good. Now our bud is complete. Now we are going to do the full row. Okay, now I am going to show you when you make the rose. This one already have 3 petals. This one has only the 2, and we have the full rose that it will be the completely rose. But you see already how pretty it looks. Okay? All right. This is all for the flowers. Later on we will make more things. Thank you.